With this session, we are going to discuss about modern periodic table. This is our modern periodic table, which we followed in 21st century, which is given by the Henry Moseley in 19th century, who was a Russian chemist and also an inventor. He is the best remembered for formulating the periodic law and creating a four-sided version of the periodic table of element, which we follow till now. Like you can see this periodic table. This periodic table gives us a huge information about the elements. Till now, 118 elements are discovered. And here all the elements till now is discovered are mentioned. If you see even a single slot, this single slot give a huge information about a single element, about the symbol of that element, name, atomic number, atomic mass, how many electron shells are present, electronic configuration of such elements, and according to the position of that slot of one element, in which group it's present, in which period it's present, you will get the physical and the chemical nature of the such element. And also you can find the correlate element with a particular element. So here the this modern periodic table is help us a lot while we study chemistry, while we study about the element, while we performing any chemical reaction or any practical in laboratory. So here this periodic table help us a lot while we study about each and every substance present in nature. Now we discussed about the basic principle which followed behind to make such a fantastic modern periodic table for us. Henry Moseley, a Russian chemist in 19th century, after discovery of the protons, he said we need to revise the statement which given by the Mendeleev about the periodic table. He said we can arrange all the elements in ascending order of their atomic number, not by atomic mass. As we know, atomic numbers are nothing but the total number of protons present in atomic structure of any element. After the discovery of protons, he said we can arrange all the elements in ascending order of their atomic number, not by atomic mass. Because that isotopes reduces the significance of atomic mass in periodic law. And if we'll consider as atomic number, not atomic mass, so the effect of isotopes get completely gone. So here he said we can arrange all the elements in ascending order of atomic number, not by atomic mass, because each and every element have different atomic number. There is a possibility due to the isotope same element have different atomic mass, but here atomic number is unique property for each and every element. The second point said by the Moseley was he said emphasize on the electronic configuration of the elements, because the complete physical and the chemical nature of any element it just come from the arrangement of electron. According to the arrangement of electron, their physical and the chemical behavior is represented during chemical reaction. So Moseley emphasized the electronic configuration while he studied the physical and the chemical behavior of each and every element. So here this two statement was followed while he made that modern periodic table for us. Like you can see here. This is the modern periodic table which made by the Moseley, in which each and every element is arranged in ascending order of their atomic number. Like you can see here. how the elements are arranged here. Like you can see this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This number was nothing. These are the atomic number of this element. While you are moving horizontally, you will see the ascending order of the atomic number of each and every element. In this modern periodic table, we have total 18 groups. While you're moving vertically, you will see the numbers mentioned here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 18. In modern periodic table, we have 18 groups, and while you are moving horizontally, you have 7 periods. In first period, we have 2 elements. In second, we have 8. In third, we have 8, then 18, and 32 like this. This kind of the arrangement is present in our modern periodic table. Here also according to the property of the element, they are metal, they are non-metal, they are metalloid. According to that, the position of the elements will also get varied. Like you can see on the left hand side, the all our metals are here. In this sky blue color, it's all our metalloids, and here these all are non-metallic in nature. So here this modern periodic table gives us a huge information about the elements. Not only just about their atomic number, atomic mass, electronic configuration, symbol, also their metallic and non-metallic character, their correlate element, their derived elements. And according to if you move along to the group and the period, you will get their metallic nature, their electronic configuration, their affinity, their ionization energy. So many information you will get about a single element while you are seeing that modern periodic table. So this completely a biggest achievement of the Moseley, which make a modern periodic table for us, which based on the principle of ascending order of the atomic number, not by atomic mass, and on the basis of the physical and the chemical nature, we need to consider that electronic configuration means the arrangement of the electron in the shells of any atomic structure of the particular element. With this note, we conclude this session. We'll see you in next session.